Hey guys, in today's video, we will be learning about how to apply for Vietnam e-visa. And this video is not for citizens of any specific country. And if Vietnam allows citizens of your country to get an e-visa, then you can apply for it. And here you can see the list of the countries to whom Vietnam provides e-visa. One more thing I want to add is that Indians can apply for this visa and can stay for up to 30 days in Vietnam. And this video will be in English, but specifically for those who are familiar to Hindi language, I recommend you guys to watch this video after watching this one. So any e-visa holder can stay in Vietnam for 30 days, and the price of Vietnam e-visa right now is 25 US dollars. Before applying for the visa, you need three things. First is your copy of scanned passport with at least 2 empty pages, and you need a recently taken scanned color photograph of yourself. Lastly, you need a debit or credit card with the feature of international payments to pay the visa fees. After collecting all these things, we need to go to our favorite web browser, and I am doing it on PC, but you can also use your mobile phone, guys. So here you have to search Vietnam e-visa on Google, and after the search result appears, you have to click on this link, and the name of this site is kind of weird, so I just cannot pronounce it. After clicking at this link, this page must appear. There are 3 steps mentioned in this website, and you need to follow these 3 steps in order to get your Vietnam e-visa. First of all, you need to upload the front page of your passport in this portal. Then you need to pay the e-visa fees of 25 US dollars, and then you will receive your e-visa, guys. At the bottom, click on confirmation of reading and click on next. After that, this page will appear. At first, you need to select your scanned photograph from your device and upload it in this e-visa portal. So I will just quickly select the file. After uploading your photograph, now you need to upload a copy of front side of your passport, and you don't need to go to computer stores to get your document scanned, and you can use any scanner app as well. After uploading your passport details, you need to fill your name here and fill your name according to your passport, guys. Here you need to select if you are a male or female. As I am a male, so I clicked on it. Then you have to select your date of birth. I am not putting my original date of birth because I am just doing it for video making purpose. After selecting your date of birth, now they are asking for your current nationality. Here select your nationality. As an example, I am selecting United States of America. Now at the second tab, they are asking your birth nationality, and this is for those people who have changed their nationality in the past. And if you haven't ever changed your nationality, then select the same as above. So I am selecting United Nations. Then here you have to fill your religion, like just like Christians, Hindu or Islam. So here I will be filling Hindu. Then write your occupation here, and also you can fill student if you have a valid student ID. So let me fill YouTuber here because I am a YouTuber. Then write your phone number with country code. So let me fill it first. And +1 is the country code of US, and country code of India is +91, guys. Then write your email and make sure that you are filling the correct email because you will receive the e-visa with the help of your email ID, guys. Then re-enter your email ID right here. After this, now fill your passport number in this field and just open your passport and fill your passport number over here. At the passport type, select the kind of passport holder you are, and most of us have the ordinary passport, so I will just select ordinary. Then fill the expiry date of your passport. You will probably find it on your passport, guys. So here I am gonna fill it. Then here you have to fill the intended date of entry. It means when you are willing to land at Vietnam, and this is just an approximate date. And like if I am selecting 5 August, then it does not mean that I strictly need to land on 5 August. I can also land on 6th or 7th of August, guys. Now here you have to fill that for how many days you want to stay in Vietnam. You can write any number here, even in thousands, but the maximum days you can stay is 13. So like if I want to stay for 10 days, then I am writing 10 here. And then select the purpose of entry. I am going to select tourism here, and you can select it according to your needs, guys. After this, they are asking for a temporary residential address. Here you can fill the address of your hotel, and we do not generally stay at one hotel in any country because we need to move to other places for tourism. So just fill the address of the first hotel that you are willing to book in Vietnam. I will just write Rivera Street, Phuoc. This is not a place, but I just wrote it as an example. Then you need to select your city or province. I will just select Bac Can here. After doing all this process, leave these two portions because it is not necessary for all of us. Then here they are showing the validity of the visa that we will be receiving, guys. You can probably change it, but I won't mess with it because the dates are good and stay period is enough for me. Now guys, here you need to select your entry point. Like if I am going to enter from Phuoc, then I will just select Phuoc International Airport. Same as that, you need to select the exit point. Here I am selecting Da Nang International Airport. Then click on the checkbox and fill the CAPTCHA code. Then click on the review application form button. After that, this window is going to pop up on your screen and your registration is completed successfully. Then click here and you will be redirected to a new page. In this page, you can see everything that you have filled in your previous part. Scroll down here and click on payments. After clicking on payments on this page, make sure that this checkbox is checked and click on pay e-visa fees of 25 US dollars. They are giving options of cards for payment, so just click on international card and do pay the fees of 25 US dollars. I will not be showing the payment process in this video because you can just fill it just like you fill at e-commerce websites like Amazon. Guys, after your payment will be successful, then your visa will be processed and you can get your e-visa for a minimum time of 1 day, and sometimes they take 3 days, but mostly under 30 days they process our visa, guys. So after waiting for 2 to 3 days, now you can search Vietnam e-visa status on Google. Then click on this link with this heading. After the site's open, fill your registration code and your email ID and your birth date over here, guys. Lastly, you need to fill up this captcha again and click on search. Once the search will be completed, then you will get your e-visa and you can download it and print it, guys. I haven't applied for the visa as I haven't made any payments right now, but this is the way you can apply for Vietnam e-visa and can check the status of it. And if it is approved, then you can download it and take a printout. So I hope, guys, that you have liked our video and share this video to everyone whom you think it might be useful for them. Thanks for watching and have a good day.